Hey YouTube, this is Style by Shay and I'm back with another video. I really wanted to make a quick video to show you how I do a length check, cut the split ends, and just straighten out the hair a little bit for Arabella. She's 3 now and you can see how much hair she has. And we just need to do, I need to clean up her ends a little bit because you can see it's they're kind of split, which with natural hair, they're probably going to always be a little split, but it's still good to dust them up a little bit. So I am going to show you with this part of the hair how I blow dry it to straighten it out, stretch it a little bit so I can do what I need to do.
Mommy, I'm the...
Why don't you sing a song?
Huh?
I said, why don't you sing a song? I have the heat on the second one and this on high. This is how hot it gets. This is how hard the air blows out. Alright, this side is completely dry. Okay, I'm going to put some moisturizer on there.
What size?
This and this.
That and this? Look, so the water was down to my one and flow on whatever you do.
So I'm just going to part it and clip the ends, dust the ends up. Not going to do a whole lot as far as like cutting inches off her hair because I don't need to. Bella, what are you doing? Why are you messing up my soap?
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
What?
Why are you doing that? I said.
Benny's in here.
Turn around, please, ma'am. Sing to the people. I said sing to the people. You're being recorded.
There's no people.
They're going to see you. I'm recording it.
Who's going in it?
Me, Mommy is.
And I'm?
Yeah, we're making Tell them a story.
I mean, what?
Remember, you got to start with once upon a time.
Butterfly, there was egg, and camera, and no and nine. Happy ever after then they eat some breakfast, and I did this play with my friends with no and nine. Then they just got out at Brian's house, and they got home. That my mom got was a bus. One day, when Donnie go and my mommy's bus, okay, so she wanted to be so happy. This is not my bus. That's to you, yellow bus. Okay, the end.
All right, so this is completely dry. It's moisturized because of the design essentials, and the ends are clipped.
Oh, Jesus.
And again, I don't have to do a lot with the ends, just dust them up a little bit. But then I'm gonna do a nice cute braided style. We're just gonna repeat the same thing on this side that we do on this side, and that's it. That's my son Donnie, and that will be it. But thank you for tuning in today, guys, and you have a great day.
That's my hair. Hello.
Go ahead and tell them, how do you do it?
How you do this?